Welcome back to CXR Cloud training videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new company account. Let's start off by going to the Contacts tab from your toolbar, then clicking on Companies. To add a new company, click the plus sign here, and let's go ahead and fill out the following fields. Enter in the new company name over here, and select a country, the type of business, and enter in the incorporation number just over here. We're going to go ahead and move down over here and enter in an incorporation date. You can either use the calendar or you can just manually enter the date over here. Let's continue on and enter the registration state or province and the MSB registration number just over here, and MSB registration date. Same thing, you can either use the calendar over here or just enter in the date manually. Let's punch in a work phone number. You can also enter in a work fax number just over here. Let's go ahead and enter in an email. We can carry on to enter a phone number below. And include the nature of business. And the status. It could be active, inactive, terminated, pending verification, or you can monitor the account. We're going to go with active. And note that anything with a red asterisk is a required field and must be completed. Now hit Save Company. You'll also notice that every time you create a company profile, the system will automatically create a company ID number. You can see the unique code created just over here. This number is used to identify the company profile you've just filled out. Let's go ahead and update company, and you can see the account you've just added just below over here. You can view all company accounts on the Manage Companies page as well. You can edit a company you've added by clicking on the Edit tool over here. For instance, let's say we haven't made a transaction with this company for a long period of time. We can change this company status to inactive. Then hit Update Company. You can also delete a company by clicking the X tool over here. Note, it is not recommended to delete an inactive account. So previous transactions with that company are kept for company records and you can go back and view them. The only time you would really want to do this is if you have never used the company account to make any transactions. We're going to go ahead and decline this. Just as when we created a new individual profile, we can check companies against the sanctions list too. Click Check Against Sanction List just over here to screen the company and make sure it's in good standing. If the company is in good standing, a green check mark will appear. You'll also notice, as soon as we created a new company profile, more fields below were revealed. And you can continue to scroll down. And just as we learned from the previous training video series on adding a customer profile, you can add supporting documents, such as the business license, for instance. You can also add wire templates and notes, and so on and so forth, just by clicking on the plus signs in the relevant tables below. If you need a refresher on how to do this, check out the previous training videos, creating a customer profile for an individual, how to add supporting documents to a customer profile, adding banking information or wire templates to a customer profile, and how to complete KYC AML for a customer profile. Well, that's it for now. We'll see you in the next training video.